Alright guys, so what is up? There is a reason why I do not have any eyelashes on, you guys. We are going to be testing out some new lashes that I received. So we are going to be testing out the new Jenny 69 Baddie B lashes, guys. So these are the packaging. So you guys, I don't have any lashes, like I really do not. So whatever lashes I do have, I'm gonna go ahead and curl them. My lashes don't curl that much, you guys. So that's why I love to just try to curl as best as I can, just because I do not like when you have your falsies up here and then your lashes are peeking down here. So I went ahead and I just purchased the Baddie B lashes, you guys. I went ahead and got Fuckboy, Baddie, instahoe, extra. And you guys, like, they are so beautiful. I love the packaging. Like, come on, like, for real. Like, yes, holographic. So you guys, these are the lashes. Hello. And you guys, I went ahead and got most of all of them that they got. I want to go ahead and try to do this in order. Y'all know I already got 4 of the lashes. Oh yes. All right guys, so this is the packaging. Let me show y'all. So it does have like a holographic logo in the front with Baddie B. And then on the side it has the name of the lash. I love that the box is so like really like pink and metallic. It's so like really good, you guys. And it even has like a little magnetic, so when you go ahead and pop it in, like it goes right back, you guys. So like once you guys go ahead and drop it back in, so you guys hear that? That is like a magnetic, and it has like a little fold with like little pink sparkles. You can't see it because of the exposure on my camera right now, but you guys, like, it looks so pretty. Like, it's really good. It just has the Baddie B logo on the back, and then also with the Instagram and 100% mink lashes. That's what it says, you guys. That's just the standard with all of them. That's pretty much how they look. So you guys, I want to go ahead and try. Let's go ahead. So you guys, let's go ahead and try Fuckboy. So this pair is Fuckboy. They're really pretty. They look very long, you guys. Like, they look super duper pretty. Like, hello. So let me go ahead and take them out of the little box. Yes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my lash glue on them. Ooh, okay, so you guys, this pair is like very long and wispy. Like, it's really pretty. But you guys, with all of my lashes, I always curl them because, you guys, I have hooded eyelids and I do not like straight lashes. These ones are a little curled, but I do want to give it like a little bit more of a curl. So I just put the lash band in there, and then what I do is I just really curl that shit, guys. Oh yeah, so that way now when I pop them on, they're gonna be lifted. So let me go ahead and put my glue on them. And you guys, I actually, oh, and by the way, so Baddie B Lashes is Jenny 69's lash brand. If y'all didn't know that, she is a YouTuber, a Latina. She is an entrepreneur. I don't even know if she has the glitzy purse anymore, but so she used to have this glitzy purse as well, which she just sold. So purses, some cute bags. But anyway, guys, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other lash. Just really curl the hell out of that base. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these lashes on. Oh wow. Oh wow, you guys, like, these are really pretty. They're super duper long. Alright guys, so that is with these lashes on. Like, oh my god, like they're super duper pretty, you guys. And again, this one is the fuckboy lash. Oh my god, bitch. Like, wow. Like, you see, and this is exactly why I always curl my lashes at the base, because if I didn't do this, these lashes I think would be a little bit more down. And you guys see, as soon as I open up my eye, it really makes my eye just look a lot bigger, because they're very fluffed up and they're standing up, they're not straight. That's what I love for my eye, because you guys, I have hooded eyelids, so I need any lift that I can get. And then here they are open. Bitch, you guys, these lashes are really gorgeous. They're like super duper long, you guys, but I am here for it. If you guys been watching my channel for a long time, you guys know that I love me some dramatic ass lashes, but these ones are so gorgeous. They're like super super pretty. And voila, now they're back in their placement. Gonna go ahead and put them back. So that one was fuckboy, guys. Bomb. So now let's go in with the second. I'm gonna go in from natural-esque to the most dramatic. And so the other one that's a little more natural-esque, I'll go ahead and take this one. This one is in the style Baddie. You guys, this is the Baddie one, and this is how they look. Okay, and these ones are a little bit like flared out a little bit more. These ones are gonna be more straight on me. I already know, you guys. I'm not gonna even try to curl them, because of the way that the what do you call it, the hairs are placed in here are like kind of like X's, you know, like that. I don't know how to explain it. You know, I'm not very good at explaining it, but you guys, this is how they look. So this one is Baddie, and I already went ahead and pre-cut them, because you guys do not need a video of me pre-cutting them, you know, because you guys already know this is lashes. It's freaking 2019. Who's not wearing lashes anymore? Go ahead and do that. Actually, I wanted to tell you guys, so I did go ahead and I went to an event last year. Was it last year or was it earlier? Yeah, it was last year. So last year Too Faced had an event. They invited me out. It was my first big kind of like little event that I went to, and it was in like Orange County area. And so you guys, kid me not, I get into the Too Faced quarters, you guys, and literally like I saw Jenny 69's G-Wagon. Like I saw her G-Wagon and I was like, oh, I wonder if that's her, you know, because I didn't know what other influencers were gonna be there or whatever the case was, you guys. And I was fucking nervous, you guys. I live in San Diego, California, so I drove like an hour and a half, almost to 2 hours just to go to this damn event. And then I still had work the next day, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply. So you guys, like for real, like I was already nervous since it was my first event. And then you guys know, like I have, well, like 35,000 subscribers on YouTube. And I'm guessing that's where Too Faced got in contact with me from. But then also, you guys, like they started following me on Instagram, and you know, I don't have a big following, guys. I have, you know, maybe about like 9,000 followers on Instagram. And so I was nervous to go to this event, guys, because I already knew, you know, what I was kind of getting myself into. Just because when I was arriving, like all of my nerves were like up the roof, guys, because here I am, a small damn influencer, and Too Faced is inviting me to an event where there's gonna be other influencers with millions of followers like Jenny 69 and, you know, so on and so forth. So I was fucking nervous, like so nervous. And as soon as I walk in, I see Jenny 69 with her sister Annette. I saw them taking pictures at the entrance, you know, where you enter in and you want to take your Instagram photos and X, Y, and Z. And so I go up to her because Jenny actually started following me a long time ago, you guys. And so I was like, oh my gosh. And me like a puto, like a dumb ass bitch. I don't know why I said this, but I was like, oh my God. Like, you know, I was like, hi, I'm Junior. I know you, I think you follow me. And then I of course follow you. And she's like, oh yeah, type of thing, right? And I was like, oh my God, you look so pretty in person too, you know? And like, what a stupid thing to say, You know, I didn't mean it like in a really mean way, but you know, some people be face tuning their fucking life, you know? So I was so like nervous, you guys. Anyway, these are the Baddie lashes, you guys, in the style Baddie. You guys see how they're more out, you know, like the outer corners, I would call it, are really flared, and then like, you know, like the from the front to the middle. So from the front to from the eyelash to like about the outer corner ish, you guys, it's really straight. Actually, I don't mind it. Is it very flattering on my eye? No, I think you guys can see that I'm more hooded with these kind of lashes. I don't know, but they're still beautiful. They're just not my cup of tea. I love lashes that are like boom, like bitch, like tarantulas on my fucking eyeballs. That's what I love. But anyway, guys, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh yeah, bitch. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off now, and those are in the style Baddie. And you guys, so yeah, pretty much I'm a dumbass. I don't know why I said that to her, you know, first of all. Y luego, you know, it was a good time. And then I met like Jesus Artistry, I met Cassie MUA, It's My Riri, you know, I met all of them, you know, so they're really actually really nice, you guys. Everybody was really nice. And then as soon as we got out to the actual deck where they had you know, all of the drinks, and we're doing the foundation we're doing foundation matching. They gave me this one. This is the one that they were matching me to, the Perfect Peach. They gave me, you know, I got a goodie bag, everything was really good. And when I walked out, Jenny was like, well, come sit with us, come sit with us. She was the first person to actually even try to talk to me, and she was really nice, you guys. Honestly, like nothing I didn't think she was stuck up, you guys, but you know, sometimes when, you know, these influencers have like a lot of following and stuff, you kind of judge in a way, you know, you're kind of like in your head like, oh, they're probably stuck up, X, Y, and Z, you know, you're a little more skeptical and afraid, but she definitely wasn't. Let's go ahead and go in with the next lash. This one is Instahoe, you guys. Hello, H-O. You a hoe, bitch. All right, so let's go ahead, and this is how they look. They're very fluffy, you guys. They look really gorgeous. Like, they're very up my alley, you guys. Y'all know I love these type of lash. I think I might want to curl just a little bit because I can see only like the tips. Oh yeah, no. I need to curls. I need to curl them. But anyway, guys, so yeah, even when I was there, I did not want to take a picture with her. I just felt really overwhelmed, you guys, to be there, honestly, when I was there. And she was like, don't be, you know, don't be nervous, X, Y, and Z, you know. But I didn't want to take a picture because I didn't want to totally fan out, you know. I was actually kind of shocked and like, you know, like mesmerized at the same time, because I was like, oh my God, this is like someone I've been following forever. I didn't want her to feel like, oh my God, like, you know, this motherfucker's just trying to use me to be on his Instagram. You know, I didn't want that shit. So, you know, I was too nervous and I was too shy to even ask her for a picture. So I was like, nah, cool. Right. So this one is with instahoe on. I don't know what's happening. A little malfunction. Hello? Pendejo ojos. A la pinche verga, pendejos. Alright, guys, so this is instahoe. I look like I am cross-eyed. But you guys, like, I don't like this one. No, it's not the lash. It's not the lash that I don't like. It's me. I just don't like this from my eye. I need something long. I need something fucking long, you guys. And so that's what these are. This lash style is really pretty. But yeah, guys, no. So close my eyes, open them, close my eyes, open them. Let's go ahead and take extra AF. Well, extra. I'm just AF. So let's go ahead and take this style in extra. This is how they look, guys. Oh yeah. So they kind of look similar to let me see, to instahoe. So let me actually put them a little close up. So this one is Instahoe, and this one is actually Extra. You guys can see that they're very similar, but I for Extra, you guys, they're a little bit longer, so which is what I like. So I'm probably gonna like these ones a lot better just because they're very similar, guys, but they're also like these ones are a lot longer, I believe. All right, bitch. So let's go ahead and apply this one. This one is the Extra. Okay. All right, see, these ones are my jam. Okay. I see you, Jenny. I see you. Hello, I know you guys can see that I can see you. Hi. All right, guys, so this one is with Extra, and you guys, well, you guys, like, wow, like, hello, Extra. Bomb AF, you guys. I love them. They look so bomb. But yeah, guys, so that is it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other lashes on. Go ahead and see. You guys, so that's pretty much it for this review, you guys. I really loved these lashes, no lie. So the style that I loved the most, you guys, is gonna be Fuckboy and also Extra. So these are the two. I have Fuckboy on my eyelashes right now. So I have Fuckboy and then Extra. So these two are my favorite. The other two are really bomb as well, you guys. Just, I don't know. Baddie, they are more straight. And then also instahoe. They're really pretty. They're just like Fuckboy, but they're just shorter in length. But I need my eye to look elongated. That's what I need. So that's why I really like Fuckboy and Extra, because those are the longest ones that Jenny actually has. But you guys, I really do recommend these lashes. They're really affordable, you guys. I got all of these for, let me see. Actually, oh, and then they came in this like holographic little thing. So let me actually tell you. So they are $19 each. So for all four of the, let me see actually. Okay, so for all four of the, for all of the lashes actually, they are $19, and then also the whole total actually came out to $82.09 after shipping. But you guys can also see right here that I did use where, come on, zoom, focus. Can you focus? Okay, you guys can see right here that I did use coupon code Manny MUA, so you guys can actually use his coupon code since I don't have one. And so yeah, my total is $82.09, and for 4 eyelashes that are Mink, you guys, that's a steal. Come on now, like, hello, that is a steal. We can't get better than that. You guys know that I actually used to always use Lily lashes, you guys. They're double stacked right now because I put some other ones on, but normally I always use a Lily lashes. These ones are like $36, you guys, each. That's not including taxes, and that's not including shipping. So come on, you guys want $19 pair of lashes where you could use a coupon code as well. But anyway, guys, so that's pretty much it for my review on the Jenny 69 Baddie B lashes. I really hope you guys liked this video. I hope that it was very informative for you guys as well, and I wanted to go ahead and try all of them on so that way you guys can see how they look. So that's pretty much it. Go and get them. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. So before you go, please stop. Okay, and click this video right here and hit that subscribe button as well, guys. I want to grow this year. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.